Imagine opening your Breadwallet app and realizing your BRD wallet no longer works. Panic might hit as you discover the app was officially shut down. But don't worry, your funds are not gone. You can still recover them even in 2020. BRD Wallet officially stopped updates and support in March 2023. Before shutting down, users were given a way to recover and migrate their wallets through Coinbase Wallet. So if you once stored your crypto in BRD, you can still access it safely today. BRD, originally called Breadwallet, was launched around 2014 by Aaron Voisin and Adam Trademan. It grew to millions of users worldwide, supporting Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and many ERC20 tokens. But after being acquired by Coinbase, the service was discontinued and users were encouraged to migrate. The good news is, your crypto remains safe on the blockchain. As long as you have your 12-word recovery phrase, you can still restore access. To recover your BRD wallet using Coinbase Wallet, download the Coinbase Wallet app, not the exchange app. Open it, choose Restore Wallet, and enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Make sure every word is spelled correctly and in the right order. Then set a new password and you'll see your funds appear. If you prefer a different wallet, you can also recover your BRD funds using Trust Wallet, Blue Wallet, Electrum, or MetaMask. As long as they support the BIP39 standard. Just be sure to use the correct recovery path for your blockchain. If your balance shows 0 after recovery, double-check your phrase and make sure you're connected to the correct network. Sometimes the issue lies in the derivation path. And if your phrase is incomplete or a few words are missing, don't guess. It could make things worse. Instead, reach out for professional help. At Crypto Recovers, we specialize in restoring access to old BRD wallets, fixing phrase issues, and helping users recover missing funds. We've successfully helped many Breadwallet users regain control of their crypto, safely and securely. The only situation we can't fix is when the full recovery phrase is permanently lost. If your BRD wallet stopped working and you need help getting your crypto back, visit cryptorecovers.com. Your funds are still out there. We can help you access them again.